They are very sweet and little. They are sweet, sweet, sweet. Look at mommy.
Täällä on tällainen emokoira, joka on hyvin ystävällinen. Ollaan täällä Daniela Stoikan tarhalla. I take small video telling about the pups. Täällä on tämmöisiä, huomatkaa minua rakastakaa. So how old are the pups now?
So maximum 2 months. They
Yeah.
have 1 vaccine and they are dewormed twice. And
Aivan
next week
ihan.
they will have the second vaccine.
Yeah. Do you have some regular vets that you use, or are you using many vets?
Praxis Vet Life.
Yeah.
It's close to our
Yeah.
place here.
This mom dog is so nice.
Yes, she's very friendly.
She looks quite young too.
Yes. But she,
Yeah.
yes,
Like
she's
2,
young.
3 max. Yeah.
She's a very good mom.
Pups need toys here.
Yes, and
Do you have any plastic toys for the pups?
no.
Oh, we should get you some. Tänne tarvitaan pennuille leluja. Sinun vauvoille leluja, juu.